Hello, welcome to Greenlight Mathematics. All right, in today's class, we want to look at this question. This is one of the questions we just concluded a further mathematics past question. So we have if root 2 into x minus 1 raised to the power of 3 minus 4 is equal to 0, find x. These are the options. Okay, when you see questions like this, how do you go about this? So what you do in the first place, when you see a question like this, you try to break it down to this, maybe they call it the simplest thing. So the first thing is that you will take minus 4 to the other side, or you can say add 4 to both sides. If you add 4 to both sides, it means that the minus 4 will cross the sign of equality, and this will turn out to be 2 into x minus 1 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 4. Take note, when the minus sign crosses the sign of equality, it becomes a plus sign. So what is the next step? The next step is to square both sides of the equation. Why do you have to square both sides of the equation? To be able to remove this root sign. Okay, so if we do that, we will have we put square is equal to 4 squared. You have to take note of this. Anytime if you have root 2 squared raised to the power of 2, the answer is the same thing as root 2 times root 2. So the answer is what? 2. That means anytime you square the roots of any number, all you need to do, whatever you have inside that root is the answer. But if you multiply, this will be root 4. Root 4 is what? 2. So we're going to apply that here. Now, if I find the square of the whole of this, I will remove the square sign, or the square root sign rather. So what I will end up having will be 2 into x minus 1 raised to the power of 3. That's very simple. So this side is going to be 16, 4 times 4. Okay, what is the next step? The next step is that I will make the whole of this a substitute equation. That is, I will make this side to stand alone by dividing through by 2. So if I do that, I will have x minus 1 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 16 all over 2. But of course, 16 all over 2, I can continue from here. Now, next target is that this x minus 1 raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as x, because 16 over 2 is x. So with this now, also remember the concept I want to give to you now, that if you have maybe y raised to the power of 3 is equal to 27. What is y? Y will be the cube root of 27, which is the same thing as 3. So the same thing happened here. If the whole of this cube is equal to x, what is x minus 1? So x minus 1 is equal to the cube root of x. Cube root of x is equal to 2. So now what is our x? X will now be equal to 2. Minus sign will cross the sign of equality and become 1. So x is equal to 3. So if you go to the option, you will see that the answer is A. Alright, I want you to continue to share this video. Log into my YouTube channel, Greenlight Mathematics, and keep sharing my video. Thank you very much.